Are you in a constant dilemma that which is a right AI agent platform to choose to kickstart your agent builder journey? Hi, I'm Gaurav, and in this video, I'm going to give you 5 platforms on which you can build and create any sort of AI agent as per your own need. And before you make a decision of what's the platform you want to invest your time and effort, energy into it, it's very important to understand what are the things that you want to automate, what are the things that you actually feel can be controlled by human but you need AI's help into it, and then make a fair decision. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of 5 different AI agent builder platforms. What are the pros and cons of it? What are the pricing structures of it? And to give you a very fair visibility of what AI agent platform to choose when you are starting your journey as an AI agent builder. So without any delay, let's just jump into the video. The first platform is called HelloTars.com. And if you go to their website, you will find out that it's a platform where you can build no code AI agents for reliable solutions faster than ever. It will help you streamline workflows, improve customer experience, and empower your team to create smart automation workflows. And as you can see over here from the visual, that it's a kind of node-based workflow builder product. The best part about Tars is they have more than 800 plus global brands, so they look very awesome in terms of the credibility that they have shown over here. And the best part is you can get started for free. What I love about Tars is their AI agent marketplace. You have more than 2000 plus templates over here available to get started. Variety of use cases available across different sectors, industries, and teams that you can choose from so that you don't have to start from scratch. Talking about the pricing part of the AI agent, you have a freemium model, you have a pro model, and then you have a business model. But the best part is they have kind of broken down the pricing into 2 parts. That is the AI agent for teams and AI agent for customers. So the bifurcation is done in such a way that if you want to build certain AI agents just for your internal teams and workflows, they have a different pricing model where you can start for free. You have 50 messages per month, access to agent templates, community support, LLM models, basic pre-built tools, and 1 month of data retention. And in a paid plan, if you move, you have 500 messages per month, multi-platform deployment, advanced LLM models, and all the compliances and 12 months of data retention. And I think in the business plan, this just goes with some more pieces of deliverables getting added. That's centralized team billing, dedicated customer success manager, and configurable data retention. But the most curious part and interesting fact to know is that if you want to build Tars AI agent for your customers, like you want to deploy a agent for your customers, then it's more of a, you can say, a premium side where you have 50 conversations from your customers per month on a free plan, basic model, training limit of 5 knowledge bases, access to help guides, community support, data encryption, and 1 month. And once you have the premium plan, you can actually decide how much amount you will pay depending upon the size of conversations that are happening over a period of a month. So if you are at 500 conversations from your customers per month, then you will be paying somewhere around $499. And if you want something which is more customized for you, you can actually talk to their team or book a demo to get in touch and get the right quote for your AI agent builder experience that you want to implement for your customers. The second platform I'm going to talk about is Na10, where you can build flexible AI workflow automation, but this is, as per their positioning, is for technical teams. As you can see over here, this is also kind of a builder experience where you have different nodes that are getting connected to the AI agent tools. They have models over here from the image that I can see. But the best part is that this is specifically designed for people who are working in technical domains and need some technical expertise. So from a perception game, I think Na10 is a right platform. If you are a developer or you understand a bit of coding, then Na10 is a go-to platform for you to go and try it out. If we look at the pricing of Na10 from what they offer, so in a starter plan that is 20 euros per month billed annually, you have 2,500 workflow executions, 5 active workflows, and hosted on Na10. You have 1 shared project, 5 concurrent executions, unlimited users, and you can actually start the free trial. But I think the free trial lasts only for 7 days, and after that you are bound to go to the premium plan. Whereas in case of Tars, the start for free plan is absolutely free. You can keep using it till you don't hit your limits. And I think that's one way in initial stages, I think it would be really helpful for you. In the pro plan of N8N, you have 50 euros per month, you have 10 workflow executions, 15 active workflows, 3 shared projects, 20 concurrent executions, 7 days insights, admin roles, and a lot more stuff. And then you have a direct enterprise model. So for N8N, it's actually divided into no such categories of teams or customers. It's an open-ended way to do it. The best part is that if you are somebody who has a developer persona or you're sound with technicalities, N8N is a platform that you can definitely go for it. Third platform in my list is Crew AI, which is more of an enterprise-driven product AI agent solution. This is a multi-agent platform which will help you streamline workflows across industries with the help of AI agents. As you can see, the kind of logos that they have shown, they also look quite premium, and they have coded more than 500 million multi-agent crews running on Crew AI. It's also trusted by organic leaders, big brand names over here, that they are already implementing AI agent from Crew AI. But from the most important part of the website, what it looks to me, that this is more driven to build for enterprises. And in case of pricing, if I go over here, there is no way it's mentioned that what is the pricing structure on their website. That's actually kind of weird in my opinion. But one thing which highlights to me is that they are open source as well. So if you are somebody who can actually build AI agents with the help of open source, but from the technicalities of it, you have to go and know that how to use open source projects, how to connect it with your own existing GitHub repositories, connect it with your own plugins and workflows. I think Creo AI is aligned to go into that particular direction. So to be very honest, pricing is not available over here. You can start the cloud trial and check it out, but I feel that it's more again friendly for developers, and I myself am not a developer, so I think this is not a platform that I would personally go. But if you're a developer watching this video, you can definitely try them out. Platform in my list is Relevance AI, another very good AI agent builder platform. I've heard about them a lot on my Twitter and LinkedIn feed, that a lot of people have built automations using Relevance AI. So what they promise is that build teams for AI agents that deliver human quality work. I kind of like the website and kind of like the positioning, but what is more important over here is to, again, they are targeting a specific ICP, that is, it's built for ops teams, no technical background required. Subject matter experts can use Relevance to design powerful AI agents without relying on developer resources, scale excellence across every area of team with intelligent purpose-built AI workforce. So I think they are very specifically targeting for operational teams who have a lot of mundane job to do, and if they want to automate their workflows, you can actually go and try Relevance AI. So they have an enterprise plan as well, and they have pricing structures available on your website. And if you see over here in the free plan, what they promise is that you can build and deploy AI agents at $0 per month. You will get 100 credits a day, one user, and 10 MB of knowledge. And in the paid plans is pro plan, team plan, business plan, and then enterprise plan. So $19, $199, $599. In pro plan, you're going to get 10,000 credits. So I think jump from the free plan to a $19 pro plan is a lot, that you get 10,000 credits. You get one user, from 10 MB to 100 MB. Workforce, scheduling, ticketing support. In the team plan, what's I think is more important for teams, that you can add your colleagues and members over there. That's $199 a month, is 100K credits, 10 users, like 1 GB of knowledge, premium integrations like LinkedIn, WhatsApp. And then again, in the business plan, you have like 300K credits per month. So Relevance AI kind of is a platform where, depending upon the usage or the kind of agent conversations that you're going to have, you will have credits, and if those credits are getting consumed, you will automatically be upgraded to the further plan, or you might have to upgrade. But it's available for free. You can try it out and see if this helps out to you. But I think from their persona, it's very specifically designed for operational teams. Fifth and the last is Gumloop in my list, and I think they're a YC-backed startup. They've been doing pretty good, and I've again heard a lot about them on X recently. So what they promise is automate any workflow with AI, no coding required. What I love about them is the homepage positioning is very clear and straightforward. As you can see, it says that something about very simple, that you can scrape a website, ask AI, write in Google Sheets, is a very simple way to communicate for anyone that what are at a very beginner level the capabilities of an AI agent. And I think this is just to give you a visibility that from where you start and to what possibilities you can go. It also has get started for free feature available. They have a very good walkthrough structure over here available, that how you can actually drag, connect, and run particular AI agent. Again, Most of the AI agent builder platforms that you have today follow a node based structure, that you have certain, you can say gambits, or you can say certain pills that get connected, and in every pill or in every action box you have certain actions being defined and configured that can be used to build the AI agent as per your own workflow need. So let's jump to the pricing of Gumloop. So you start with free plan that is at $0 and you get 1000 credits per month, and they have also explained what a credit means. So all nodes workflow actions are 0 credits by default. For nodes that cost us money, run like AI calls, or nodes are paid APIs, we charge proportional number of credits. I think this is a very good explanation on how they are explaining, and also an example that running an AI node with a small model like GPT-4o mini is 2 credits. So this gives you a very clear visibility that how you're going to consume the credits. How many seats do you get? You don't get any seat. I think free plan will just be allowing you to get 1 seat probably, or maybe you can just after using credits of 1000 you will be asked to upgrade. But concurrent workflows is 5, concurrent list steps is 2, event triggers and custom node creations, a lot of things from support, security, whatever is available, a lot of details over here. But the starter plans from $0 jumps onto the $97 plan, where I think the limit goes from 1000 to 30,000 credits per month, and if you change this to, the pricing will keep changing. And in the pro plan it's 75,000, and if you make it to 105k it will be $394 a month. So to be very honest, this platform particularly looks a little expensive to me, but I think the way they are defining the credit system, if you have that much amount of need, you will have to upgrade. So even though you don't use 30,000 credits, you still be bound to pay $97 a month to go ahead with Gumloop. So we looked at all the 5 platforms that are AI agent builders. What highlights the best for me is TARS, for one single reason that in their platform, the pricing structure, the start for free, and the bifurcations and the enormous amount of templates available with them just gives you a very good head start to think what sort of an AI agent you want to build. But like I said, all the other products like N10 is directed towards developers. We saw Relevance AI directed towards more of operational teams. Then we looked at Crew AI, which is more enterprisey and open source model that again is more developer friendly. And in case of Gumloop, I think you can even get started for free, but the part of pricing is a little more expensive side. So in my opinion, TAR stands out. Let me know what do you think in the comment section, which platform you would prefer to get started in your AI agent builder journey. And if you have any questions around what sort of an AI agent to build, what are the things that you are exploring in the AI agent space, please feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be able to answer them. Until then, goodbye. And by the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for getting all such cool updates from our end. Have a good day.